Good morning to all of you. First of all, let me congratulate Dr. Kaul and the other organizer. In my knowledge, this is a very good initiative in India to put together all the public libraries and to do something in India also. When I was a student of 9th or 10th, I used first time the public library, and that was a mobile library of Delhi Public Library. It was coming into my area. And I used to get books on stories, and we used to stand in a line to go into the bus and then getting the books. That was my first experience with the public library. Then I started using a Delhi Public Library in Naroji Nagar. They have a branch in Delhi. Then after, when I was in college and as a teacher in the department, I started seeing very closely the public library. Let me say very frank, I am not happy at all. In the sense, the conditions of public library in India in comparison to what the developed countries are having. But I am very happy to say in my knowledge, the best library which I have seen in terms of infrastructure and the facilities and the look is the Anna Centenary Library in Chennai. I tell all the participants here, you must visit Anna Centenary Library. It is not very old library, maybe 6-7 years old, but the type of facilities that they have created for a different sections of the society, especially for the children's. If you will go there in the library, they have having a 1/2 floor, very big library. And the environment there is, the children will feel like that they are at their home and with their friends and enjoying. To my view, public library especially is an area for a total personality development. And when we say this, it is not only the education, it is the recreation, it is the bodybuilding, it is the making a peace of mind, everything. So if the library is having these facilities, then only the different sects of people will come. My first question is, why to go to library? Everything is available on internet nowadays. And if I'll buy a book, in a research library, in an academic library, we are bound because we are doing a courses, we are going to the library to get our books. But why to public library? Let me tell you another very important aspect is, in our university, after passing a graduation program, the students are preparing for competition examinations. And they are coming to the library just to get a space and sit there and read their books for a competition. Let us say what is happening is, if I have passed from the university will not allow me to enter into the library. Then thousands of students, where they will go? They always look for a space, and in the home there is no space. Where to go? It is the public library. And if we'll go to the public library, we won't find such environment there. They have a limited space where their normal reader, those who are coming to take the book, issue and return, they are sitting. So hundreds and students, where to go? So I feel in the public library there must be a space to attract people, so that they can not only read their own material, but they should be provided with the material which is required for them. That's the first view on a library. Now coming to the curriculum area, which is the main part of this. In Delhi University, we started this program in 1946, this library school. And for the last 40 years, we are having courses on public library system. We offer course, Bachelor of Library and Information Science course is there, but we don't have a direct paper on a public library. But we have a paper One paper is a library society and information, wherein we have a sufficient topic, what is the role of public library, just to tell our first level of bachelor degree student. And then in the next paper, we have an options that they can do a literature survey and a field survey. So we ask our bachelor degree student, go to any public library, because in Delhi we have a Delhi Public Library, Hardyal Public Library, there are many public libraries also, public library which are related to the some missions also. So we ask the student go there and they do some project and they give their presentation and viva. That's the second part. And in the third part, in the bachelor degree, we have a program called a internship training program. We have a 1 month internship training program after their examination, and they are asked to go to different libraries. And we tell them go to a public library also, and they are going. That is at a bachelor degree. Now in the master degree, we have a full-fledged paper on public library. That the title is Public Library and Information System. This particular paper is having 5 units. Besides imparting a knowledge on the journal management of a public library system, we have a public libraries and their development in India and internationally. And then the collection development and the management related to the public library. Library organization and administration is the next unit, and then the normal aspects of information services, finance and human resources. That's also having a biasness towards a public library. We offer in a master degree 4 optional paper. Academic library is there, research library is there, public library is also there, and in a master degree, we have 46 seats. And it is not very encouraging. We are getting only 4 or 5 students, those who are opting up public library paper. Most of the students, they are going for a research library or academic library. Reason there are many libraries, they look for a job, so jobs are available there. But for a public library, they say there are hardly jobs in the public library. Maybe the reason is we don't have the really nice development of public libraries in Delhi and in the country, and less job opportunities. That may be the reason that we have noticed. But still we are continuing with the public library syllabus. Then at the Master of Philosophy, MPhil level also, we have a paper on public library system. And in the Master MPhil level, we stress on the changing perspective in the education and society and their implication for the development of public library both nationally and internationally. What Dr. Kumar has mentioned here, a lot of international courses being offered by the public libraries worldwide. We also try to tell our students, but that at the level of MPhil level only, where we get hardly 15 students, and that too it is an optional. So out of 15 students, only 2 or 3 opt for a public library. And to my surprise, whenever there is an advertisement coming in the public library, they write the general qualifications. And I have never seen that they are opting for a person who is opted these papers at a graduation or a master degree level. So whenever, see, all these things, we are helping each other. The public libraries, whatever problems they are facing, whatever problem in the management administration to attract users, let us tell us, we are also part of you. We are preparing a professionals for your library only. We are very open. Any person from the public library can give us suggestions to us. We revised our syllabus in 2004, and then we revised our syllabus in 2009, and now also it is being revised. So we are very open. People from the public library, they can give their suggestions. We'll try to incorporate in our syllabus also. That's the idea as far as the curriculum is concerned.
2 minutes.
What IFLA is saying and what we are discussing here, it will be really good when this particular activity association or whatever it will take a shape, will develop a syllabus for our universities for a public library, keeping in view all the sects of the society, children, youth, senior citizen. There are some suggestions which I have noticed, especially with the public library. We must have outreach programs. I agree, mobile service library is there, but the rural area, that is very, very important. Public libraries are there in the cities. We must have facilities to connect to our rural India. That's one. A very good idea if we have a Friends of Library. We get a lot of people in a library. It can be a library children club, it can be a library youth club, it can be a library senior citizen club, which they are the friends of a library, they are your promoters. And then there will be a social and cultural activity. I have seen in Delhi Public Library, they do conduct these activities. I have seen, especially for the children, school children, whatever current problems and social problems are these days, how to improve upon, let the library will be the place. And I have already mentioned education and employment. For employment, education, I said current affairs and all examination, let public library should have a space. For a job also, where I should go to know where the job opportunities are there. Why not a public library should be a place to give the information? And the last point, the main emphasis is the library, their outer structure, their interior design, their maintenance. This is more important. I have seen many libraries, they started with a lot of colors, and afterwards, when they started, there was a big person started, everybody was going, then no maintenance. So all these aspects has to be keep in mind, and let this particular association or activity should be a leader in the public library in India. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor.